Okay, February 2012, question 4. At 1600 hours ship's time, 30th of April, a ship bound from Fremantle to the Suez is in this position, 11 degrees 39 south, 78:16 east. The ship's time consistent with zone time. Due to a serious eye injury sustained by a crew member, the vessel diverts to Diego Garcia, 7 degrees 19 south, 72:28 east, and increases to the maximum ship speed 16.5. We need to find by plane sailing the course and distance to Diego Garcia and the ETA standard time at Diego Garcia. So what this question is telling us is that at 1600 hours time, 30th of April, we're in this position here, 11:39 south, 78:16 east, and we're keeping a time consistent with zone time, and that we're heading for this waypoint here. So what we've done, we've written down our initial position at 1600 hours, and we've written waypoint B, which is Diego Garcia. Of course, we get our D-lat and D-long, work that out. We then calculate our departure, of course, is D-long cos mean lat, tan cos departure over D-lat, distance D-lat over cos course. Now, I've done a little sketch here to show that we're going from south to a less latitude south. We're going to, in other words, we're going in a northerly direction, so that tells us our D-lat is north. And we're also going from easterly less, which again is a westerly direction, because we're going from 78 east to 72 east. So it tells us our course is going to be northwest. So whatever value we get, it's north, and whatever degrees west. And we find with the course, it's 52.85, which is north. I've called it 3 degrees west. So that's actually 307 degrees true. And the distance is 430.5. What we have to do initially is calculate our total steaming time. Now the 430.5 is the distance. Our speed has been increased to 16.5 knots, so it'll take us 26 hours and 6 minutes. Now at the moment, waypoint A, 1600 hours, 30th of April, and as the question tells us, we're keeping time consistent with zone time. So what we do to that time is apply our longitude to get our GMT at the waypoint A, which is 10:43. We then add our steaming time, 1 day, 2 hours and 6, and that tells us that we now have an ETA at Diego Garcia at universal time, or GMT, 1st of May, 12:49. We then apply the time difference, which is plus 5 hours, so that we get our standard time for Diego Garcia, and we work out that at the 1st of May at 17 hours 49 minutes. So you just have to be a bit careful reading this question to ensure that you use this position here as your 1600 hours at waypoint A, and really ignore these two latitude and longitudes here. They're just simply telling you the positions of Fremantle and Suez Canal.